welcome you all to my channel. So these are the ingredients I'll be using for my DIY protein deep treatment mask. I'm going to pour all my ingredients into my blender and I'll blend it till I get a very smooth paste. You need to strain it with a strainer to get rid of all the residues so that they are not left in your beautiful natural hair. Sorry I didn't show it on camera. So my paste is ready and I'm going to apply it to my hair and to my scalp in sections as usual. All these ingredients are great for our hair and our scalp. Let's look at some benefits of these ingredients, starting from banana. Banana is known for counteracting dandruff and dry scalp. It moisturizes your hair and makes your hair stronger and shinier. Moving on to eggs. Eggs also make your hair very soft. It moisturizes very dry and brittle hair, prevents hair loss and stimulates hair growth, thickens hair and adds volume to your hair. Okay, so extra virgin olive oil strengthens your hair follicles, thereby increasing the lifespan of your hair. The antioxidants and antimicrobial agents present in it contribute to healthy hair. Aloe vera calms itchy scalp, enhances hair growth, and improves damaged hair. As you can see, I'm making sure that every part of my hair is enjoying this wonderful natural ingredients, and I'm going to pay more attention to my ends because they are the most weakest, oldest, and most fragile part of our hair. So anytime you're applying products to your hair, make sure to apply more to your ends. My curls are already popping and I love the way my hair feels. So I'm going to twist it and then I would apply it to the other sections as well. Protein is very good for our hair, but we need to make sure that there is a balance between protein and moisture in our hair. If we do more of the protein and ignore the moisture, our hair will become brittle and dry, and that will make it prone to breakage and shedding. I did a video on moisture deep treatment. Please click on the link up there so that you can watch that video. After applying the mask to every part of my hair and my scalp, I'm going to cover my hair with 2 plastic bags to help trap in some heat so that the mask will be effective. I'm not using a blow dryer today because I don't want the eggs to get cooked in my hair. After the plastic bags, I'm going to cover my hair with a kuje so that I can continue with my daily activities. I'll let it sit for 1 hour and I'll rinse it out. This is how my hair looks like. It looks shiny, it feels soft, I experienced less breakage, and I just love the way my hair felt like. I just want to dance to the name of the Lord for giving us such wonderful ingredients for our hair.
Oh,